Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to review your Squarespace account invoices. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Squarespace, just go to the upper right corner, click the Create Account. And from here, you can continue with Google, you can continue with your business or working email, or just click on the More options. Now, just continue with your Apple, your Facebook, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Once you are here to review your Squarespace account invoices, you can follow these steps. Alright, number one, you need to navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile icon right here in the upper right corner, or it depends on the interface that you have, and click on Account Dashboard. And from here, you can simply go to the account settings, click on that. Now, once you are here, just go here in the lower left corner, click on settings and go to billing. Now, from here, click on the invoices, and here you can manage and edit invoices. And within the billing and account settings, obviously click this option to access your past invoices if you have it here. Now, once you've accessed your invoices, you should see a list of all the invoices associated with your Squarespace account. All right. Now, each invoices typically includes details such as the invoice number, date, description of the charges, and the total amount due. Now, you can click on the individual invoices to view more detailed information such as breakdown of charges, payment methods, and any applicable taxes. Now, you can also access the invoices by just going here. Now, in the left side panel, as you can see, you have analytics, scheduling, and invoicing. Click on it. And if you wanted, you can create and send branded invoices straight to your client's inbox. Now, we have a separate video on doing that. But again, if you needed, you can print or download your invoices for your records. And again, if you can have that, look for options like print or download PDF to save a copy of your invoice locally. And ensure that all invoices are marked as paid if you have made payments. If there are any outstanding invoices, you may need to make a payment to keep your Squarespace account in good standing. And if you encounter any issues or discrepancy with your invoices, just click on the option right here in the lower right corner of your dashboard and go to the Squarespace Assistant. Just click on the new conversation and tell them your situation about having problems with your Squarespace invoice. You can also go here at the Squarespace Help Center. Just contact a customer support. You need to choose a topic about your situation like billing and paying for Squarespace. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions, right? And you are all set. A customer support representative will be more than glad to assist you if you encounter any problems with your invoices. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. And thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.